Richard, you just look stupid.
Am I supposed to swing with both hands or just one?
Backhand, it's with 2 hands, and forehand, it's with 1.
Okay.
Hurry up! You don't have a hangover?
Richard.
I need one. Yeah. What the hell?
No! Wait. I want to swing like Daniel.
No, no, please, no. Ah, ah. Ah.
That's the star right there.
Hell yeah. I used to before I died. You're giving him too much credit. It's worse than that. Can we go get something to drink now? The bell's gonna ring.
They had to do that. I'm talking.
Daniel, hurry up! It's gonna fall.
Oh.
What? Here.
This is my mom's camera though.
My mom has the same one.
How do I stop it? Oh.